Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Sorry to come at you with another one of these desktop shoots, but when the Omni arrow flips very quickly, I've got to get these signals out to you. The market just opened at 6:19 right now as I'm filming. Market's opened about 19 minutes ago at 6 p.m. So it is for trading on Tuesday night, which it is right now through Wednesday. The Omni has flipped to a neutral. So this week I've had the Omni give me a red signal, or I should say a green signal, a red signal, and now a neutral signal. 3 different signals. Only 3 days this week so far. Not easy to deal with, right? That usually means, for the Omniacs who know me and have been following the Omni, that usually means get ready to vacate the area. When the Omni starts flipping like that, red, green in the same week, you know, it usually leads to vacating the area. We'll take that one day at a time. Omni is giving a neutral signal in E-mini S&P for trading on Feb 7th, 2024. So this is video number 2703. Remember, it's very, very risky out there. Do not trade without stops. Put your stops in first. Don't care what you're trading, from options to futures to cryptocurrency. Make sure that you put your stops in first. Remember, we're neutral for E-mini S&P, so I basically could trade in any direction I like tomorrow. My bias is to the upside, but we've got a neutral Omni. We'll see. More exciting though, for you crypto traders out there, check this out. Now, I've been telling you that I wait for signals to start to pop up, and then I let you know when they're getting closer. And I let you know when we were getting closer to the signal down here. We got it, and we rallied up into what I thought was a bull flag. Presented this to you several days ago. Well, turns out that so far it looks like I am correct. 3 or 4 days later filled in, and I think that is a bull flag. Bull flags generally lead to a market moving higher. So we're either going to get a signal out of this bull flag very shortly, or maybe it gyrates inside the bull flag and drops here where we'll get a signal anyway. So stay tuned, crypto traders, Bitcoin traders especially. When Bitcoin gets a signal, everybody gets a signal. So I've been keeping you posted. The signal's not exactly yet. Could actually be tomorrow on Wednesday if we can get above the bull flag. But if not, and it gyrates down, have no fear, because we can find another signal down here. Stay tuned. Wait for the next video. I will let you know. Stay tuned, Bitcoin and crypto traders. I will keep you posted day by day. You know we're expecting 85,000 Bitcoin within 2.6 years. You'll see it get there. The Omni hasn't been wrong yet since Bitcoin's been born on the long-term calls. I don't think it's going to be wrong now. So, nice hold in Bitcoin at the average. Again back here and here, which started the whole big rally up. They were actually using a different average, but Wall Street's been getting involved in changing up the averages. I don't mind. I'll follow them up and show you what they are as we get there. But nice hold there. Leads to the bull flag. Next should be that. Stay tuned for your signals. All right, traders, make sure you like these videos. Like them right now. Please share them. Leave comments below. Remember, I've got a live webinar that happens this Saturday. Make sure you show up. It's absolutely free to you. The link is below this video. Make sure you click the link and join the free webinar. I will see you on Saturday afternoon. And then remember, stop so in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com. Keep your eyes peeled on Bitcoin.